Hello, this is Greenwood Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Sure. Can I have your name, please?
My name is John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. What day would you like to come in?
I'm free on Wednesday morning. Do you have any available time?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works perfectly.
Great. I've booked your appointment for Wednesday at 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. We'll see you on Wednesday. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Key phrases for beginners. Polite greetings. Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I would like to. Making an appointment. I would like to make an appointment. Do you have any available time? Confirming details. Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. Ending the call. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Talk English for more lessons and keep improving your English every day.